use Korean makeup. That's enough.
Yes.
Is it good for your skin to use Korean makeup?
Yeah.
When you put Korean products, your face become white.
It's my face. It's my face color, and no, my face has made up. Has been made it up.
Okay, beautiful. Why you are removing? Yeah. Do you use any whitening cream on face?
Actually, its name is Clean It Zero.
Okay, it's like a Chinese product,
Korea.
Korean product. Am I right?
Yeah, Korea.
Okay, you are using Korean product, and that's why like you are so white than me.
Actually, it's my original color. This is my face color.
Yeah, your hand has like original color, and your face you make it bright by using some cosmetics, some Korean product.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand properly because you know Korean cosmetics product are very famous of the world because it's very useful. If you use Korean cosmetics regularly, obviously your face have a luminous effect. It means glowing. You have glowing face, you have lightening face, you have whitening face, and also overally you have glass clean face. You know, I am from Bangladesh. Many Bangladeshi are still using Korean product because it's very famous.
Yes.
The girls of Bangladesh are right now using Korean products.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to know something about the boys of Korea. I heard that Korean boys also put makeup and whitening cream. Is it right?
Yes. The singers and the dancers and the actors in Korea usually make up. Also, Chinese actors make up too.
Okay, it's normal for boys, but in Bangladesh, where it is not normal for boys to make, to put makeup on their face.
Actually, Chinese boys didn't make up before they are go out. Unusual.
They put many cosmetics or products on face to white the face.
Yeah.
I'm thinking that I have to buy a product which is from Korea to glow my skin.
You didn't need that. You are handsome.
Am I handsome? Really? But you are
Really.
joking. I'm handsome.
A handsome boy.
I want to know your personality.
Animal doctor. Personal knowledge.
Okay, you want to be a doctor?
Yeah, actually, I'm a student, and my major is to help animals to become healthier.
Oh, okay. You are animal. Studying about animal.
Animal doctor.
Oh,
Make animals healthier.
I understand. You want to be a animal doctor.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Like, do you have any pets, dogs at your home?
I have 2 cats.
Okay, you have 2 cats. So, you look after?
No, my mother look after.
Oh, your cats are looked after by your mother.
Yes.
Okay, but these cats are yours. Yours. So look after is your responsibility.
I look after too, but my apart dorm didn't allow me to look after them, to bring them up. My apartment didn't allow that because that will make our apartment.
Pass your time with your cats.
I want to see my cats. I just when I go on vacation, I can see them.
Okay. Great. But you should take care of your cats.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. We will talk later. Thank you so much.
My husband, thank you too.
Okay. Shia. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye.